Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a blinged out nameplate for like a friend, or if you want to do it for your own room. It's a very good project to do. I actually got all of my stuff from Hobby Lobby, but you could probably get your stuff for cheap at Walmart. First I'm going to show you the paint that I used, which was the Color Shift paint in pink flash. It was supposed to be like a metallic color, really cute. I also got just a regular acrylic paint in antique gold. This project was for a friend, so her room was, I think, pink and gold or pink and yellow or something like that, or those are her favorite colors. I actually didn't use the beads that I bought. I ended up just using the little flat jewels. I found that those look better with the project, but it's kind of like a preference thing, so if you want to use the beads, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to talk as much. I'm just going to let you guys watch me do this do-it-yourself project. It's very easy. I would encourage a lot of people to do it. It'll definitely bring some taste to your room, and I will make sure that I have all of the items that I used in the description box. Hey guys, we're almost at the end of our DIY project. Here you will see me using my glue gun and tweezers to place the jewels on my wooden letter. I basically did this at random, and I took off the little balls. So I just placed them at random all over the place. It took me almost, like, I think 4 days. Also, if you're having troubles with like the glue stringing, just use a hair dryer and kind of like wave it over it, and it'll melt the glue so it doesn't look all stringy and like you have like spider webs on your project. Okay guys, we are nearing the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be showing you the finished look now. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in my next video.